Hello student. In this lecture we are going to discuss on the topic congruence and definition of congruence and some theorem. Now definition of congruence is that let A and B and M such that strictly greater than 0 belongs to Z, that means it is integer. If A and B leave same remainder when divided by M, then we say that A is congruent to B and write as A congruent to B mod M. That means if we divide A by M and R1 is some remainder, and similarly if we divide B by M, then R2 is remainder. Then if R1 and R2, that means two remainder are same, then we say that A is congruent to B mod M. Similarly, second definition of this, if A minus B is divisible by a positive integer M, then we say that A is congruent to B. That means A is congruent to B mod M if and only if M divide their difference, that means A minus B. Now see example number first on this definition. 25 congruence 17 mod 8. Now by definition first, if A congruent B mod M, that means A and B leave same remainder when divided by M. Now in this example 25 divide 8, that means if 8 divide 25, then its remainder is 1. Similarly, if 8 divide 17, then its remainder is 1. So in these two cases, remainder first and remainder second are same. So here we say that 25 congruent 17 mod 8. Now next example, 26 incongruent 17 mod 8. That means this 26 and 17 are not congruent under modulo 8. That means if 8 divide 26, then their remainder is 2, and if 8 divide 17, then their remainder is 1. So in these two cases, remainder first is 2 and remainder second is 1. So this remainder are not same. Therefore by definition 26 and 17 are not congruent to each other under modulo 8. So it can be write in this way: 26 incongruent 17 mod 8. Now definition second is for incongruent, if M does not divide A minus B, that means M does not divide their difference, then we can say that A and B are incongruent modulo M and write as A incongruent B mod M. Now some properties. Let theorem number first, let A, B and C be are positive integer such that A congruent B mod M, then we have to show that their addition, that means A plus C congruent B plus C mod M and A minus C congruent B minus C mod M. Similarly we have to show that AC congruent BC mod M, and this is fourth number. Now proof. Now given that A congruent B mod M, that means M divide A minus B, this is equation number A. Now to prove, first adjust A minus B can be write in this way: A plus C minus B minus C, that means add C and subtract C, you will get A plus C minus B plus C. Now by equation number first A, M divide A minus B, so M divide A minus B, and by this A minus B is equal to A plus C minus B plus C, that means M also divide A plus C minus B plus C, and by definition of congruence, if M divide any difference, then we can say that A plus C congruent B plus C mod M. Similarly for second, hence this is proved. Similarly for second, we have to show that A minus C congruent B minus C mod M. That means A minus B, you can write in this way, A minus C minus B plus C. That means minus C plus C, this is adjustment, is equal to A minus C minus B minus C. Now by equation number A, M divide A minus B, so M divide their difference A minus C minus B minus C. So we can write A minus C congruent B minus C mod M. This is by definition of congruence. So this is proved.